In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image into a table in PowerPoint. If you've been looking for ways to make your PowerPoint presentations more visually appealing, integrating images into tables can be a great option. This guide will walk you through the process, and by the end, you'll have the knowledge to seamlessly add images to your tables, enhancing your overall presentation. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already launched the program, go ahead and do that now. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. If you're starting fresh, you might want to create a new presentation to follow along more easily. Next, we'll move to the Insert tab, which is located at the top of the PowerPoint interface. The Insert tab is where you'll find all sorts of options to add various elements to your slides, including tables, pictures, shapes, and more. Our focus today is on tables, so go ahead and click on the Table button within the Insert tab. When you click on Table, a drop-down menu will appear, offering different table grids you can select from. Choose a table style and size that best fits your needs by dragging your cursor over the desired number of columns and rows, then click to insert the table onto your slide. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away, as tables can be adjusted and customized later. With the table now on your slide, click on a single cell where you'd like to place an image. This step allows us to prepare a specific section of the table for our image. Once your cell is selected, direct your attention to the Table Design tab, which appears at the top when a table is active. This tab provides various tools to format and design your table. In the Table Design tab, look for the shading option. Shading is a feature that normally adds color to a table cell. However, today we're going to use it to insert an image. Click on the shading drop-down menu and then select picture from the options that appear. A menu will pop up allowing you to choose where you'd like to source your picture from. For this guide, select from a file, which will open a window to browse the files on your computer. Navigate through your folders to find the image you want to include in your table, select it and click to import it into the PowerPoint table cell. Once you've followed these steps, your chosen image will appear right inside the table cell of your PowerPoint slide. This method not only jazzes up your presentations, but also allows you to effectively convey information visually. You have now mastered the art of placing images in tables within PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, and I hope this enhances your future presentations.